Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is day 14 of 100 days of trading. Today I took a trade in gold in the London session and I was so confident behind this trade that I just made a blunder here, and this blunder has costed me $20. Now on charts, I'll tell you that what blunder I made, and if I had the correct conviction, and if I did not make that blunder, I would have at least made around $90 today. So let's come on charts. First of all, let me remove all this markings so that I can explain. Here, what you see that the markets was, from morning markets were trending downwards. So as I open the chart, the first thing that I do is I'll just go to 4-hour time frame and check the trend of the markets. So here, what I saw is, if you see that the market was trending downwards here. After that, there was a good rally without any retracement. As this rally came and the markets were falling after that. As this rally came, there was a change in structure here. As there was change in structure, the change in structure indicated me that the market is in uptrend. As the market was in uptrend, I simply drew a fib level from low of the swing here. Yeah, this is the fib level I drew, and I just marked it and just marked it here. I'll take on my original chart where I trade. Yeah, here you can see that I just drew a fib level and I just marked two levels, that is 0.5 and 0.618. And as I mark this level, you guys can see that 0.618 level is already marked here. So yeah, I'll just remove this fib. I just marked this level and I noticed that the market is in uptrend and it is near a 4-hourly fib level. That is a very strong level, and it is near a 4-hourly fib level. As it was near a 4-hourly fib level, I just went in 15 minutes time frame, and the market was somewhere around here. And from here I saw that if I take a trade, my SL will be too long. So I just ignored it, and I just just observe the market for some time. After some time, what I did is I just went into 1 minute time frame. As you can see that it took rejection, and from here it started to rally. I just went into 1 minute time frame. After that, I noticed that here there was a change. Here the market was going in like this, like higher low, higher high, higher high. Same, the market was going like this. So here, what I thought is, first I just analyzed it like this, like market lower high, lower low, again the lower high and the lower low. After that, what I just saw is, I just saw a change in structure here. So it indicated me a uptrend market. This change in structure indicated me a uptrend market. Here, as it indicated me a uptrend market, the first mistake which I did is I drew a fib level from this level to this level. I drew a fib level from this level to this level. This is wrong, because if you see that as there was a change in structure here, and as you can see that there was a change in structure at this point, and if you see if I drew this level, there is no retracement. If I do this level, the market is still not in complete uptrend. So this has to be the perfect level. This has to be correct fib level. What instead of drawing this as a fib level, what I did is I just simply drew a fib level like this. This was a fib level I drew. No, sorry, this was a fib level I drew, and I saw that the market as the market is in uptrend. I just saw that our market is in uptrend and it is near the higher low, and let it make the higher high. I waited for the higher high to make, and after that what I did is I just again drew a fib level from swing low to swing high. This is a fib level which I made, and as you can see the place where I took trade is still marked on charts. and I simply drew a fib level here. Oh, sorry, wait. At this level, I simply drew a fib level like this. I marked both the zones and simply drew a fib level like this. And as you can see, that market retraced, and I waited for the swing, and I waited for the market to come near the fib level. As the market came near the fib level, I just entered it. I just waited for some rejection. I just waited for the candle to close, and as this was a rejection candle, I placed order near that. And I placed SL with with a lot of space for the market to play. As I entered the trade, the market went some 20 pips in my favor, then it went on to hit my SL. So here what happened is, as the market hit my SL, it again, after hitting my SL, it came near this 0.618 level. As it came near the 0.618 level, I just placed another trade here, which is this kind of this trade, and I was just my TP all here also got hit. So here I was like, okay, my setup did not play it today. But the catch here is, after I was analyzing, after I was just seeing the charts, what I noticed is, as you can see that here, if you see that it's a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And here if you see that the market broke the structure here. So what this point is called higher high. After that, if you see that the market went down and go up. And what is the catch here is, if you draw where the swing from where it broke the downtrend is this. I just drew a chart. I noticed that there is not proper retracement here. If you see, there is no proper retracement. I only consider retracement if it comes in this zone. That is my retracement zone. So there was no proper retracement here. So I just saw that there is no proper retracement, and I just drew a wrong fib level and entered the trade. And after that, as I drew a fib level from this, so here this was my this was my fib levels, and I was sure that if the market comes here, it can definitely go in our favor. So I understood that I made a blunder here. I made a blunder here. So I was overconfident. A lot of overconfidence has covered my eyes, and that is what I did wrong today. After that, I just do a correct fib levels here. This was the correct fib level. This is the correct fib level. Let me remove the wrong fib level so that I can tell you I was, after drawing this fib levels, I was confident that if the market comes here, it can go up. So here what happened is, I just waited. I just closed the system. I was just waiting. So the reason for this confidence to go up is that the markets the markets are touching the 4-hour fib level. That is, 4-hour is very strong level, and I was bullish from there. So I just went here. I just drew a fib level. Now wait, I'll again show you the correct fib levels from where we have to draw. So yeah, these are my fib levels. You see, yeah. These are my fib levels, and as you can see that this is 0.5 level, this is 0.618 level. See, as the market touched this level, this is 0.6, market just went up. It is like still going up and up and up and up and up. If assume that if I marked correct levels and I was not that, and I was like neutral with a decent confidence, with my stop loss like this, and my target, which I will show you, and my target would be this. Assume that I would have made aram say $100 in this trade. This was a pure conviction that I had in this trade, but overconfidence has costed me my analysis. Overconfidence has made me that Okay, that is it, that it has covered my face and it has helped me to do a wrong analysis here. The mistake, I'll just also show you the PNL today. So okay, this is a three trades I took, and this is the three trades I took. I was just confident that it has come on my fib level. I was just entering the trades, but the market, as it was wrong fib levels, the market just did not respect it, and I ended the day in a red. I lost around $19 today. Okay, the profit and losses are part of the game, and I don't care. And at this stage, I don't care much about it. But what I really care about is that my analysis, my conviction was correct. But due to overconfidence, I just did a wrong analysis, and that has costed me around $100 of profit today. If I just did the correct analysis, I knew the correct analysis, and I was just confident and drew and did the correct analysis, I would have made around $100 today. But okay, this happens, overconfidence will take you down. And yeah, overconfidence had costed me in reality around $20, but it not 20. It would have been around $100. I would have made easily around $100 today. But okay, it happened. It's a learning. This learning is more than $100 for me, and I will make sure that I will never be overconfident in the markets again. In spite of how good the level is, I'll just do my analysis and trade. What we can do in this, what we have learned from this scenario is that from the next time, we should always recheck our analysis before entering. Yes, that is what could have, if I have done that, that is what could have been avoided, help me avoiding that trade. But okay, it is a learning. It is a very deep learning from today's video. I have learned a good stuff, and I will make sure that I will never repeat this mistake again. So yeah, the final takeover is that never be overconfident. Overconfident has costed me a big trade. In spite of how good your conviction may be, how confident you are on that trade, never be overconfident. I was just overconfident today, and that has costed me $100 today. It would have been one of my biggest profit in trading right now till date. But okay, nevertheless, the profits are part of my, the profits are the result of good execution. From the next time, I'll make sure that I'll execute the trade better. I'll make sure that I will recheck my analysis. I'll make sure that if I'm confident in the trade, I'll never be overconfident. I'll just make sure that I'll execute with a decent amount of confidence. I'll analyze the trade with decent amount of confidence, and I will stick with it. And yeah, the days are not far where we will make good amount of profit in trading, where we will reach the top, where we will make a good amount of profits. So yeah, this was a learning from today's video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.